Good evening. This video, I will make this video as simple as possible and very short. This video now for people where they trade options. We don't know how to trade options profitably. This video now for all of us. If you know, say you know the profit for option trading. Maybe they use 5 minutes period, I be 5 minutes duration. After the 5 minutes now, they'll your investment or your stake clean off. So this video now for you. And if you know say you dey use the deriv.com as your broker, this video is also for you, because this video now will save you a whole lot of stress. Yes, this video will save your account from blowing, this particular video. So the video now is about how to deal with the strategy if you use trade options profitably. So first thing first, I will now go to volatility 1 second. Is it? Yes, this is volatility 1 second. So now the first thing you need to do, you change the time frame to daily time frame. Change the time frame to daily time frame. Change it to daily time frame. Then after that, you could change your indicator now. The only indicator you need for this strategy now, RSI, relative strength index, you need. So this relative strength index now will show you the overbought level on daily time frame. So now if you scroll down, you will see that at this very point, you see that at this very point, the market reach overbought level, which means the overbought level you already know is 70-80, but I use my own 780 to, that is to confirm it very well that the signal is strong. Then my oversold level is 20. So at this point now, you see that RSI on daily time frame, the market don't reach overbought level, which is 80. Then after that, you can see that, you also see that the market, as it hit the 80, the market now retraced a little bit. So the next day, what happened? The next day now, the market now, the first thing that happened the next day is to just the market to retrace down. So you now as person where they trade options, what you need to do once you see this and it can't be say this particular candle, which is a bearish candlestick, which you already know, they should be a shooting star. So what you do now, if you know fit cash, if you know fit analyze anything at all, is for you to go to your deriv.com account. You go to your deriv.com straight. As you see, that is once this candlestick, no, once this pair don't hit, once this pair don't hit 80, I don't hit overbought level, what you do, you just go straight to your deriv.com. You go straight to deriv.com. You open Smart Trader. Once you open Smart Trader, you select volatility 10 index, volatility 10 index. 1 second then. Once you select, now listen carefully. Once you select, you put the amount you want to invest. You put any amount you want to invest, whether 10 or 15 or $20, any amount, 20 or 50. Once you put the amount you want to invest, then you change the duration. You change from tick. You change from tick to hours. Now listen. You change from tick to hours. Once you change from tick to hours, the next thing now, you change how many hours do you want this trade to last before you take the trade will now close. Either you close it or the trade will now close itself, because volatility index, you fit close the trade, or if you allow close itself. So now you can't change the duration now from this 1 minute. Change them from 1 minute to 10 hours. Let's just assume 10 hours. 10 hours. Wetin really mean be say, once e hits time, this time is up to 10 hours, this trade don't last up to 10 hours. Wetin go happen be say this trade go close. So once you set this trade now, keep for 10 hours, forget about all this 5 minutes, 1 minute option trading. You blow your account, you fund again, you blow account, you fund again, you blow, go back to your village. You use a higher time frame to cash this. You know, the higher the time frame, the stronger the signal. So you use a higher time frame now to trade. So once you use these 10 hours now, it is left for you to close the trade maybe by tomorrow, maybe in the next 10 hours or in the next 8 hours. But what will happen since the signal don't already show that the candle is bearish, that is to tell you that the next candle that will appear must be a bearish candlestick, and it will go down, it will go down for the next 24 hours or 48 hours before the market will now, the buyers now will now decide to enter a long position. So once you sell like this, the next thing you do is to just press sell straight up. Press sell. So once you press sell, you have nothing to worry about. You trade at ease. You know, come the border of your heart, come the beat. Whether this trade will enter in the next 5 minutes or in less than 5 minutes, you say to save you a whole lot of stress. You understand? So that is it. If you have any question or any video in mind you want me to do on how to make a profitable trade, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.